beat up, little man? Are you getting bullied, little man? Are you getting bullied, little man? They love to wrestle. They're so, yes, you are such a cutie. Yes, you are. This one here is playing with the fishy. This is the little boy. This is Emily. I think her name is Emily Costa's little one. Little man. You are just so cute. Oh, this is so adorable. You guys kept me up all night, but you're still adorable. You're still cute. Even though you're big crybabies. Big, big crybaby little babies. Emily, this is yours right here. This little one. This little boy. Yes, look at you. Little man. Little man. Little man. Little man. Little man. Hello, cutie. He is a good cleaner. He cleans himself the most out of all of them. Little man, this little one here. Yes, that's a little man. Little cutie man. Hello, mamas. Hello.